What's going on, everybody? So if you've watched all my build series videos, they're not really completed yet, but I've got quite a bit done already. I've got the Pro Taper grips, I've got the bar end mirrors, R6 throttle tube, and I also have Yoshimura fender eliminator, and I also got the TST Industries front turn signal kit and the TST Industries integrated tail light system. I wanted to check out this R6 throttle tube today and kind of go over a review on how different it feels than the normal throttle tube. So that's what I'm doing today. Man, it really changes the way the bike feels. I'll go ahead and say that. I'm barely just moving the throttle and it's pulling away. That's awesome. That's really awesome. I like that a lot. Fix these a little bit. Alright, I like that. I like having nothing above me. The mirrors being gone and the mirrors on the end just look so much better. I do like the grips. I like that a lot. I'm used to riding dirt bikes, so those grips are very, very familiar to me. I love going down these back roads. These roads are like right by my house, and if it was more dry out, that'd be a lot more fun, but I ain't about to risk my bike. Oh, see what I mean? I mean, look at this curvy switchbacks left and right. That's a dangerous corner. Yeah, buddy. Look at that creek. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I don't even have to hardly move my hand to get on the throttle anymore. I did go wide open throttle and used to have to like elbow under bar just to get that done, and it was ridiculous. The R6 throttle tube just makes it where it's a lot smoother, or not really smoother, but a lot shorter throw, and you don't have to waste as much wrist turning energy. I like that a lot. I like these back roads too. Just riding down through here is just fun. You just got to be careful with this rain like this. It's bad. It's been so bad in some places. They've had like flash flood warnings, and I don't know, I haven't seen rain like this in a long time. It just rain. I guess we need it though. Ain't no big deal to me. Creepy little graveyard. It's like Pet Cemetery or something. I have to get used to looking at those mirrors down there on the ends of the bar, because I'm used to looking like right here, and it's just not there. Alright, we're going to take a left here. Lights are shining blue. I'm just glad it's not like too extremely wet out right now, spinning water all up on me or anything. Looks like it's probably going to get ready to start raining again anytime, so I'm going to go ahead and head back. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like the video, hit that like button. Subscribe, helps the channel out really well, and it also helps if you share. And apparently I went the wrong way. And it helps the channel out if you share the video. I would appreciate that a lot. And hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed the modifications done. There's more to come in the future. Stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next video. Peace, guys.